Well, hi guys, and welcome to the first introduction of our program, Horizon X. Well, I'm Ludo and I'm here part of a professional trader team in Prague, Central Europe, and we work within broadcasting our vision and our mission in order for our audience to become top professional traders. And how do we do that? Well, we broadcast again our strategies, daily trading ideas, analytics on our social medias, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And do not forget, if you like the content of this video, to subscribe for our and my personal weekly webinar holding in till next Thursday. Well, why you should watch this video? I believe that watching this video will give you lots of insights regarding how to trade universally by using Horizon X. In fact, the key and most important feature of our strategy is that you can adopt it within different markets such as Forex, crypto, stocks and futures. Well, today I would like to start by introducing one of our patterns, which is pattern number 3, and I would like to show you how it actually is drawn within the market itself. And then after, we're gonna go through some practical experience and with our Forex tester, and I will show you how to open a positive position within the market and how to take that profit back home. For now, I would like to kick off with our presentation, and let's go.
Well guys, I will introduce you today to Horizon X pattern number 3 as said in the introduction, and I would like to start on why you should watch this video. Well, there are several reasons why you should be very keen on watching this video, because this video first of all introduces you to one universal pattern which is very much tradable within any markets you would like to pick. And I would like also to start with that starting trading and understanding how to get potential earning within trading platforms is a very beautiful subject, because right there are every day plenty of opportunity to make profits, and this is given by the volatility, by several fundamental factors that come first in my opinion, and then there are as well those technical factor that we would like to see within the market candlestick chart in order for us to better understand where to enter the market and get those earnings. Well, fundamentals, I'm talking about what's happening geopolitically around the world, macroeconomically around the world, and all these tensions and all this conflict that may have a great impact within the securities and as well the currency pairs and futures and as well cryptos. So lots of eyes focus on the news while you're trading. That was gonna bring you a big advantage within your daily experience. But coming down to pattern number 3, of course, we have lots of technical and lots of features that we would like to explain to you, and how the pattern actually behaves within a real market. And I would like to start off by telling you a little bit of what we're going to go through today, the contents, and first of all, of course, I would like to show you how to spot pattern number 3 within a real market. We are gonna go through some Forex example, so some currency pairs that I've picked for you, and then of course we're gonna go on our Forex tester, and I will show you how and where to enter the markets depending on situations, and how to trade manage, so how to take that profit. I totally understand that this is a subject that is very close to any of you that actually trades, because it comes along with lots of psychological aspect of your trades. However, it is important, I believe, to have some guidelines that you could follow in order to take back home that profit. But let's start on how to spot this pattern number 3 developed here at our trading academy on a real chart. Well, I just like draw for you this slide in order for you to better understand what we are gonna go looking for later on. So like Horizon X pattern number 3 is composed by several mutual features within short and long scenario. Well, on the right you can see the long scenario, which is composed by a momentum, which is big money players speculating, usually is formed by one color candlestick, white for bullish, black for bearish, but then we're gonna go deeper into it when we look at example within the real market chart. A consolidation period, which is usually where all the stop loss are taken, so all the stop loss hunting, which is very much related within the forex market. Then a new momentum following the same direction than the first one, so same dynamicity and same big money players speculating. And then a pullback, which is coming back to retest the the price at the consolidation period level to then either drop when it's a short, so on the right inside, or go long when you follow the long trend. But let's go on a real chart and check out how it actually behaves within it. Well, here I place my chart within the Great British Pound, US dollar, 1 minute time frame. We're gonna go through different time frames so you can actually see that our pattern is universally tradable and within different currency pairs, and as well maybe we're gonna go and check out some commodities as well. So here I have, as you can see over here, I have this momentum down, this momentum down, consolidation, this momentum down, and a pullback. So by starting with the first, I will just change the color so it's more visible for you. I will tell you like this is a momentum. I will pick this one so a little bit more visible. This is a momentum, so like meaning that big money players are present and they're dragging the price on the direction they would like to see. Therefore, speculating when it's black on a short and when it's white, like for instance, in this case, speculating on the bullish trend. But keep moving on our pattern. So like here we have the first momentum down, and as you can see here we have a consolidation. So consolidation is also like one of the spot where there are like such a balance between buyers and sellers, and where as well, like as I previously told, stop losses are accumulated. And then what we want to see in order for pattern number 3 to be formed is another momentum after the consolidation period. So another impulsive movement down in the same direction as the first one, and then a pullback which is coming to test the level at consolidation period. And I want to show you here by opening a rectangle that here it's one of our possible entry over here, entry point, forming the fractal entry point over here, going down all the way. So this is the idea behind our pattern number 3, and I just would like to give you one more example. Maybe we can switch on gold over here as well, 5 minutes time frame, so you can actually see that is universally tradable. Before we were trying to show you how it moves on a currency pair, Great British Pound, US dollar, 1 minute time frame. Here changing completely, gold, US dollar, 5 minutes time frame, momentum, consolidation, momentum, pullback, prices retested, and dropping back down again. And just would like to give you some statistical that this, when all these feature within the markets are satisfied, this is a pattern that develops 80% of the time. So you will have 80% of chances if you're trading this specific pattern to get some profit back home. So back again, I want to show you how price is retested at consolidation period. Here there is first momentum down, second momentum down, pull back till the price is retested here, forming the fractal, going down. And just like by doing this, just wanted to show you how much you could have possibly earned in this case. Well, in this case, if you go the whole way down on 5 minutes time frame, is going to give you 708 US dollar per lot. And I believe this is something that any trader would like to see in his account daily. So very easy to understand and very easy to spot, and as well it happening within the market very often. Well, now that you've seen like how pattern number three is composed and how we can actually take advantage of it, making it a hedge of our strategic portfolio, I would like to show you how to actually trade, how to place stop losses, and how to take profit within this specific pattern. So let's move on within our Forex tester, and I'll show you how to do it. Let's move. Well, hi guys, here again, back to our Forex tester developed here at our trading academy. Very good practice over here, and we will try to find our pattern number three within currency pair, Great British Pound, US dollar, 1 hour time frame. So you can actually see that it's universal, as I was talking about before. We saw like on gold, we saw on different other currency pairs, different time frame. Now I picked Great British Pound, 1 hour time, Great British Pound, US dollar, 1 hour time frame. And let's see if we will have some opportunity to kill some trade over here. Um, well, I believe that here we already see some situation with lots of one, two, momentum, consolidation momentum. Maybe want to see a nice pullback coming to this specific level. If there's gonna be a pullback coming up there, um, then we will be able possibly to open one of the our lucrative trade by using pattern number three. And I believe we're getting closer to a pullback. So as I told you again, just want to specify momentum, consolidation momentum, pullback, retesting at the level of consolidation, and once the fractal is formed, we want to open the trade. So like over here, this might be the level we want to achieve in order to pull the trigger and go short on our chart. Want to see here is a very good if the fractal formed here, fractal is formed, I want to open a position 0.10 lot, and we will go from here. Fractal is still forming. This is probably I went too aggressive, opening like just at the beginning of the new consolidation period. However, the price has been tested and we came back home with one lot $330 per one trade, which I believe is a great successful trade. So you can see it's a pretty easy pattern to spot, and it's a very easy pattern to understand here. And we would like to keep moving forward, searching for new possible capitalization. And here I can see there is one nice momentum followed by consolidation, nice pullback, price has been tested over here already. Possibly I want to open again a short position. I will pull the trigger, putting stop loss on top of the consolidation, 1 to 1. Again, easy to $200 approximately. And you can see this is a pattern that is very often within the market. It is happening very often, and you can actually really easily take advantage of it by just following clear and objective rules. So, like, you need to spot those features and those rules, and you will make some potential earnings. And here as well, I can see here probably there's gonna be a false breakout. However, when it comes back, the price seems to come back to consolidation. I want to open, coming back to consolidation. Here I open short 100%, put it on top over here. Probably I will open more than one trade. And then we will go ahead putting the stop loss on top of our on the break even for the first trade. Let's see how things will go. This is second touch, and well, yeah, we got the stop loss hunting on the first one. However, came back home with 450 US dollar again. So two touch on 2 different days. Again, very easy to spot this pattern. In within few working days, you would have gone home with about 1,000 extra dollar in your pocket. I believe here what we praise for, and our mission is to make all levels of trading very accessible to everyone. And I believe by starting up following those kind of patterns, it is a very good way of starting and being interested in bringing home some extra earning. This was pattern number 3 for today. I'd like to see some subscription for my personal webinar coming on Thursday. And for today, I believe it's all, and wish you a very happy day. Thank you. Bye.
Well, hi guys, if you like the content of this video and if you find this adding value to your trading knowledge, please do not hesitate, come and visit our official website and our Trading Academy social, where we post our daily analytics, daily trading idea and strategies developed here in-house. Well, of course, I would like to remember you to subscribe for my personal webinar on Thursday, and for this I will leave you to your daily trading experience, and I hope it's gonna be a fine one. For now it's all, and bye bye.